Alright, so hopefully the audio is decent, because this is the first time that I have really used this GoPro to try to vlog with, so hopefully the audio is coming out okay. So today we are on day 20 before I leave for the Air Force, and it's a little weird. Hold on, I'm going to get the streaks off of here. I know it's going to make a huge difference here. But I'm just going to get the streaks off the camera. Alright, so yeah, so today we are on day 20 before I leave, and it's hot in here. It is 82 degrees, and it is hot, and hot. Yeah, it's just weird. Being less than 3 weeks, less than being 3 weeks out, and I really don't know what to think about it all, because it is less than 3 weeks out. I'm less than 21 days out, and this time next month I'm going to be in San Antonio, Texas, and it's kind of getting to me, the fact that, you know, I'm going to be away from family, and I'm actually, you know, moving out, and being away from everyone. And I was talking to Dad the other day about this too, and I said, I almost guarantee you 100 to 1 for my first assignment I'm going to be sent overseas. And he says, why do you think that? I said, because right now we're really not dropping bombs on anybody domestically. Even though California, Texas, and Florida have gotten close, we haven't gotten there yet. If you haven't been keeping up with the videos before this, I joined the United States Air Force, and by the time you're seeing this video specifically, it's probably going to be in the July mark area, and so I will be out of basic training. I'll be in my tech school at this point when this video comes out, more than likely. The job that I got is aircraft armament systems, and when I go to my first base, I'll be an aircraft armament systems apprentice, and in the AFSC for that is 2 Whiskey 131. And essentially that means I'm loading the munitions onto the aircraft, whether that be a jet, plane, helicopter, you know, whatever. I'm going to be loading, basically I'm going to be loading the bombs onto the aircraft. And yeah, so like I said, we're really not dropping bombs on anybody domestically right now, so I'm nearly highly certain that my first assignment is going to be overseas. Now, where overseas, I don't know. So if you want to place your bets in the comments, you can place your bets. And we'll see, you know, where I end up getting stationed. But I could be in Japan. I think test. But it don't feel real yet that I'm leaving in 20 days. Because today is day 20.
It's just weird.
Weird? How weird? Earlier, and he said it too, because I said, how does it feel that 20 days I'm not going to be here? 20 days I'm not going to be sleeping on your couch, you know? And he said it feels weird. And I said, what feels weird? He said, just the whole thing feels weird. And he's gone through this before with my older brother. My older brother, who is 31 or 32 this year, joined the Navy back in 2008 and was in until about 2011. So about 3 years. And he got medically discharged out before he could finish his 4-year contract. But yeah, Dad went through the same thing with him, and now he's going through the same thing with me. So it's going to be interesting, and we'll see where things go. But I'm excited to see what the future has in store, where the channel goes, what type of crazy adventurous crap we get ourselves into, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna keep this 20-day thoughts. I'm gonna keep it pretty short versus the other ones where I've gone on car ride rants.